Welcome to Cooking Daddy, and today we're going to be cooking chicken strips and macaroni and cheese. So today I have my special guest, Cooking Kid.
Yay!
And Cooking Mama's not home tonight, so we're going to cook whatever we want tonight. And tonight we've decided that's going to be homemade chicken strips with some macaroni and cheese. So, first things first, I've already got flour, and these are the eggs. So we're going to add what we need into our flour and eggs. So first thing, we'll have some pepper. Put that into the flour there, Cooking Kid. All right, looks good. A little bit more in there. We'll have some seasoning salt. I'm going to do this one. And then in our eggs, we will be adding yellow mustard. I know yellow mustard sounds weird, but you're not going to taste, and we're almost out, but there's enough in here. You're not going to taste the mustard on the chicken, but it gives it a good taste. Would you like to stir up the eggs?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm gonna grab some more stuff for our flour. This is a little bit of oregano. And then some cayenne pepper. Be careful with your cayenne pepper. You put too much cayenne pepper in there, it's going to be spicy. So I do that? Okay. Small, quick little circles. There you go. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So we're going to leave our spoon in there for right now. And we're going to cut the chicken now. Alright, so we're going to let Cooking Daddy do this part. We're going to take our chicken breasts now, and we're going to cut them into strips.
Ooh, that's a sharp knife.
That is a very sharp knife. There you have it. So now, after I touch chicken, what do I got to do now?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. So now at this point, you're going to want to heat your oil up to about 375, whether that's a deep fryer, a skillet, or a pan with oil. You just want to heat that up and get it started. Also, we're having macaroni and cheese, just a Kraft macaroni and cheese tonight. So we're going to boil up some water for the noodles. But with our chicken strips, we are going to dry them off. So you've got your strips cut up now, and you got your egg and your flour. So now we're going to start breading our chicken strips. You want to be the egg guy? All right. So I'll give you that. And you're going to put the chicken. You're going to put the chicken in the egg, and then you're going to drop it in the flour, okay?
Okay. Do I, like, mix it up and stuff?
Yep, you want to get it all covered with the egg.
Do I have to put my fingers in the egg?
Sometimes you do.
No, it's slippery.
Yep. It's gonna get a little slippery. A little slubbery.
Slubbery.
Alright, once you got it covered, you're gonna drop it into the flour. And then I will cover it in flour. You can start on the next one.
So just grab one every time I'm done.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Alright, now all our chicken strips are breaded. Our oil's heated up. Water's about to boil. I think this is where Daddy takes over. Alright, so what I went ahead and did is I put the chicken through the dredging process one extra time. And now our oil is heated. And we're going to start putting this into the fryer. And once the chicken is in there at 375, you probably want to let it go about 10-15 minutes. Be sure to use your meat thermometer and check the temperature. Make sure you got the proper temperature. Chicken, I believe, is 265 is what it needs to be at. But double check me on that. Alright, so that hasn't quite been 10 minutes, but I just checked the temperature on these and they're good. So we're going to go ahead and start taking them out now. That's what they look like there. Don't take these out and give these straight to your kids. I feel like I shouldn't have to tell you that, but you never know. These cool off. Now your mac and cheese here. Noodles are about done. Just going to go and drain this. So the mac and cheese, our noodles are cooked. I've drained the water. We're going to go ahead and start adding the ingredients. Now you can follow the ingredients on the box, or you can cook like me and throw absolute caution to the wind and just throw in what you think is enough. There you go. There's your chicken strips and macaroni and cheese dinner. It's not the healthiest dinner, but it's a fun dinner to make if you got kids, as long as they understand that they got to wash their hands and if they touch it, don't touch your eyes, don't touch your mouth, all that fun stuff. You don't want to get your kids sick, but it's fun. It's not the healthiest dinner. Not healthy at all, actually. But
sorry.
When Mom's away, Dad will play. Thanks for watching Cooking Daddy. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe.
You heard it, Cooking Kid. Thanks for watching, guys.